Hi, Nina.
Hi, Belang.
Hi, B. Congratulations.
Congratulations on your graduation day. After so many years, graduate ka na rin. Tatandaan ko noon, 3 years old, nasa school ka na. Ay, 2 pa pala. Tapos, ngayon, graduation day na. Wow, at last. Kaso, may problema dahil ang kinuha mo, teachers. So, nasa school ko pa rin hanggang pagtanda mo. Pero okay lang. We are still here to support you and guide you. Thank you for making us proud. Maraming salamat. We love you.
Ning, ang galing mo. You always make me happy with your achievements. Magaling kang bata. Keep it up. Thank you for being a very good daughter, masunurin, makulit, masayahin, very busy, ayaw ayaw nang nababakante, maraming ginagawa, and I know, and I feel that you will be very successful with your determination in life. Keep it up, and keep on reaching out to others through your career. You have a good heart. Your career has a heart. Keep it up. We love you, Neng. Congratulations.
Don't forget to pray always.
Yes. Love God first. Hi, B.
Thank Him for all your achievements.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, Barkada.
Barkada, congratulations to you all.